There are a hell lot of things our face go through. Dust, dirt, pollution, makeup, sweat, our dirty hands, and the list is long. जब भी हमारे फेस की बारी आती है हमें कोई रिस्क नहीं लेना. हम बस ये सोचते हैं कि एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं और कुछ ना कुछ तो अच्छा निकल ही जाएगा. एंड व्हाई नॉट, बिकॉज वी ऑलवेज वांट टू लुक ब्यूटीफुल. We see so many things online, or we hear so many things from different people, and we just do it for our skin, and it's good, but sometimes it's bad as well. बचपन से हम एक ही चीज़ सुनते आ रहे हैं, इस चीज़ में हल्दी डालो, उस चीज़ में हल्दी डालो, हल्दी ऐसा करती है, लग जाती है तो हल्दी लगा लो. हमें कहीं पे बहुत पेन हो रहा है तो दूध में हल्दी मिक्स करके पी लो. बट दिस इज़ ट्रू. Turmeric is very useful for your health and for your skin. And today I'm going to tell you some beauty hacks related to turmeric which you can apply it on your face and you will see the change. And I know that we cannot go out to buy the product. This is the best way to utilize your time on your face. So today I'm going to tell you the benefits of turmeric and how you can make different packs for your skin, and you can make your skin glowy and acne free. So here we go.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
So now you know how useful this turmeric was, and this is the perfect time to run to your kitchen and take out this turmeric from your masala box, and whatever I have told you, just do it, because this is the right time to use it on your face and see the change. Because right now you cannot go out to buy the different products, so sitting at home you can use these hacks, and I'm very sure that you will see the change. So what are you waiting for? Just rush to your kitchen and bring turmeric and start using it. And please be safe at home. Don't go out, and just watch my videos, and I'll be back with so many other home remedies. And till that time, be safe, stay at home, don't go out, and protect your family and protect the society. Bye. Take care.